Hey, welcome to Smokey Pete's Barbecue. Today we're going to do turkey legs and thighs on the infrared smoker. You're going to love what we got today. Okay, today we're doing turkey legs and thighs. We're putting them on a smoker. We're putting them on the infrared smoker. I love smoking on that smoker for my turkeys and my chickens and any of my birds. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come on and I'm going to inject. And I always inject with some of this Tony's. I'm going to do it similar to my Thanksgiving turkey. This is what we're using today is a roasted garlic and herb. We're going to put on a little bit of Elk Creek, and then we're going to come back with Tony's Creole seasoning. So, injecting. Start on the back side on this thigh.
All right, hold.
Now this thigh will hold a lot of moisture. So we're going to come in here. You'll watch that blow up just a little bit. We're just going to inject all parts of it. You're going to get a little bit come out, which is okay also. I'm going to turn it on and basically do the same thing. This will hold a lot of moisture. Turkeys are really good about taking a lot of rub. I always turn the leg around backwards and shoot it from the end. Be careful that you don't stab yourself. I have done that before, and it's not good. I'm going to take the rest of, I've just got a little bit of it. I'm going to pour over the top. I'm going to use that as my binder. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come on with my Elk Creek AP Rub. Put it on there. Like I say, it's a big piece of meat. It'll hold a lot of different flavors. And the flavor profile is really what you're looking for when you layer your rubs and put them on different things. Second thing I'm going to come on here, I'm going to come on with Tony's Creole seasoning. Put it on there. Pretty, not really extra light, but not real heavy either. Okay, I'm going to let that set just for a couple minutes. Let it soak in. I'll turn them over to the other side. Okay, we've got it. Let it set for a couple of minutes here on one side. We're just going to turn them over. And you will notice that I took them off the plate and put them on a rack right here so that I can let the moisture just kind of come off of it. So we're going to come back on with our Elk Creek. When I cook these, the reason I put it on the back side first, when I cook these, I'm going to put that skin up on the thigh so it'll get good and crispy. Okay, we're going to let these set here for a few more minutes, then we're going to put them on the smoker. Okay, we're out here at the smoker. We're putting them on right now. We're putting them on the Charborough infrared smoker, cooking on a peat. So we're just going to open it up right here. Boy, that smoke rolling out of there smells great. You've already got the probe on the inside. We'll set it in, shut the lid, set the probe, plug it in. We're going to cook these today to about 180. You know, most of the time I cook my birds at 165, but today I think we're going to cook these dark meat to about 180. So we'll see you back here in just a little bit. Okay, we're out here at the smoker. We got the turkey is ready. I was telling you earlier, it's an infrared smoker. Basically, it's a oilless fryer. This thing is great. I've been using it for about 10 or 12 years. We'll come in here, we're gonna take our turkey legs and thighs off. Set them on this little plate right here, and I'm gonna carry it in the house. Shut this back down. There again, we cooked on peach today, which I normally would do orange. I like orange, but getting orange is hard to find. So we're on peach. But that sure looks like a good piece of meat right there. I'll see you back inside in just a second. Hey, we're back inside with the turkey legs and the thighs. Just a little recap here. What we did is we took 2 legs, 2 thighs. We put a little bit of Elk Creek. That's one of my favorite AP rubs right there, Elk Creek on there. Then we come back with some of Tony's Creole seasoning. And then we injected with some of Tony's roasted garlic and herb. That is good. I mean, just sitting there smelling this is delicious. If you need to find any of the products that I'm using today, the link will be in the description. It's very easy what we do. We cook from the heart, so it makes it really easy that way. I've been sitting there looking at this and going, man, I got my pocket knife out. Should I take me cut a piece? But everybody fights over the legs at Thanksgiving. I cook. I'm just going to take a bite of a leg here. Let's just do it. What do y'all think? Okay, I'm going to get me a bite right here. Oh man, very smoky. That skin is crispy. That infrared smoker, I've been using it for a long time. It is a fried turkey without having to fry it. Got a good flavor to it. The Tony's makes it great. The injection, you can actually see some of the juices coming out of the turkey. This is a great piece of meat. Okay, y'all be sure and go and like and subscribe to our channel. And leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. If I could do something a little bit different, please let me know. If you do something different that I can learn from, I'd sure like to do that too. So hit that bell so you hear the ding, ding, ding every time we do a video. That way you'll know when we're putting one out and you just go on and like it. So y'all come back, sis, now. Here.